MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. First, we need to install the LAMP stack. Run the following commands. Now navigate to the next directory and download the latest stable release of WonderCMS with the following commands. Install the unzip utility and extract the contents of the zip file with the next command. Clean up the workspace by removing the zip archive. Now we need to give the ownership of these files to the user. Run the next commands. Create a new virtual host configuration file with the following command. Pass the following configuration and don't forget to change the server name with your IP address or domain name. Now enable our newly created configuration. Enable the Apache rewrite module, disable the default Apache landing page, and restart the page to apply all our changes. We need to resetting the password. Run the next command and pass the following PHP code block. Change your strong password with your password. Save and close the file, then go to web browser, use your server IP address /pass.php. We need to copy this string. Now go back to your terminal, open the WonderCMS database file and replace password with copied string. Delete the generated script for security reason. Now go into your web browser and use your IP address or domain name. You will see the following. Just log in the WonderCMS and you can start work with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.